Okay, so the idea here is imagine a bank that has to service 100,000 clients, right? In the canton of Geneva. It offers banking, investment services, and access to human advisors. And two business models are possible: mobile banking or local branches. Let's assume 20 local branches in the canton of Geneva. And the question to ask, assuming a comparable business perimeter, which one has a lower carbon footprint? That's essentially the question we're asking here. And I'll pass it on to my colleague Justin, who will discuss the key findings and methodology.
So the goal was to compare traditional versus mobile banking. So we gathered some data. How do we compare carbon footprint? And we analyze specifically scope 3 emission. We have scope 1, scope 2, and scope 3. You can go to the next slide. So we created a framework, gathered many data about how much a traditional bank consumes and how much a mobile bank consumes, and then we compared the two footprints emission. The result was quite outstanding. A traditional bank consumes 10 times more scope 3 emissions, produces 10 times more scope 3 emissions than a mobile bank. Okay? When you do a video call meeting with your financial advisor from a mobile bank, it produces twice as much CO2 as when you go to your traditional bank. But the human factor is also really important. We have less people in digital banking, but we are more sustainable friendly. So it's also something to consider. And every time you visit a local branch, it is equivalent to 5.5 months of mobile usage of your app. Take Revolut as an example, or a private bank only on mobile. You can use your app for 5.5 months for one meeting in real life with a traditional bank. So maybe you want to continue and tell us more about methodology. Yeah.
So, we don't have time.
Yeah, go for it.
So you have seen the fast pace they're talking. This is the pace at which we were working yesterday until late after lights went out. What have we been doing? Can you switch again?
Yeah.
Again?
Yeah.
Here we are. So we have gathered data. We have assessed them. Yep. Anyways, yeah. Thank you.